In this video, I will show you how to fix Windows 11 black and white screen issue. So firstly click on Start, Settings. Now here click on Display. Here you will see night light, so make it off. In case it's on, so make it off. Now click on Accessibility. Now here click on Color Filters. Now make off color filters. In case it's on, so make it off. Then close it and restart your system. So this basic way guys, you can fix Windows 11 black and white screen issue. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.